Hello, Captain Guinea Pig fans. We're going to be playing Sonic Dash. This is my first time ever recording a Sonic Dash video, so hopefully it goes good. I have been playing this since 2025, but my laptop has been at repair, so that's why I haven't been seeing a lot of videos. So I have lost all my progress on certain games, which isn't bad. Losing my whole laptop would be bad. It's taking a sec to load. And we're in. I'm playing as Knuckles. I'm really trying to get extra good Shadow today. Dash and then run. Ooh, totem pole. I'm going up 6 every second. Look at that. Some very good swiping. Up. Now I'm on the seaside hills. Let's go. As you can see, I'm close to getting waved. And look at that. Tap. And you see these? Those are the extra good ones from the event. But Phantom Rider is the one that we're trying to get. Phantom Rider. Only need 100, and if we can, Classic Sonic as well. So let's do it. Got a force field. You might hear some but I'm sorry about that because I find it hard to put my recording setup up, so I don't really use it that much. Look at that swift slicing, wah. That was tough, I find it. Videos at once today, so you'll see me in for all those videos. And there might be a Minecraft speedrun soon. Funny Minecraft, a funny fake Minecraft speedrun soon. look at this, I'm rolling on the all of that. Look, you can do big jumps. And we're going to Orca. I wanted to go to Eggman, but it's fine going to Orca as well. Whee! Oh, I really should stop tapping on the screen while I'm in the air. Let's go. And let's see if what I got instead. Ooh, silver cards, Sonic, Hector. That's just 3 seconds. That literally is it. That'll probably be quite easy. And look, I'm repairing. And ta-da! Go, 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 go. Yeah, that's a problem. I tap a bit too much. To win it. When you join each run, you get a bear card. So do 500 runs, then you might be able to get Bye. Would you to do that? To get in the game of. It will take a while, and I want my video to stay like 20 minutes long. Let's try to beat Robot Nick. Let's do this. No, I do bad content, and I don't want to have that. So there might be an update.
I'll be seeing you. What? I'm not giving up yet. Why, you pay for this?
video. It might have confused some of you, but when I said I game when I'm quiet, I meant to say I'm quiet while I game. Just to clarify that on you guys. Okay, just a little bit away from classic Sonic. Spin the wheel. Oh, gold cards. Oh, 2 more Phantom Rider. Was that some shadow? No way. Extreme Gear Supersonic. Yeah, that's the one you want. Extreme Gear Supersonic. Oh, new cards. Look at all of those. Shadow. So we have to watch an advert to get by him. There. Let's go. I'm really good at this game, so hopefully it's good. I'll stop this video if I get like the cards Boss fight! It's funny that they have that Robotnik and Zaz have the same boss fight. Zaz, exclamation.
Gonna beat you like a drum!
Stars like that. Oh, I did. Like that was really hard. way. The legendary Extreme Gear Super Sonic. So close to getting. But I can also get silver. Let's go. Go Fighter Robotnik, aka
Your
Eggman.
history!
Robotnik. Robotnik and Eggman are the same person, don't forget that. Robotnik and Eggman are the same. Oh, it's not. And don't look at the bottom thing there. Unless you want nightmares. Whoa! Barely. Dream Super Kid Sonic! Whoa! Let's see what you want back. Epic! What? Let's go with Captain Shadow. He's from the East. end of this run, I'll say bye-bye. Whoa. Boss fight. Boss fight. Slide to the left, slide to the right, slide up right, slide down, slide right, slide across. Slide down, slide across, slide down.
Gonna beat you like a drum!
Let's go, let's go. That's a shame. That was mean. Just going, that's mean. If a bully does that to you, ignore them. That is